All right, big news coming in. These are some of the prestigious prime properties in Delhi, and what's happening to this? Delhi court has ordered the attachment of the Bekaner House in Delhi. For those who know the Bikaner House, extremely prestigious, and a lot of events are organized here. A cultural hub right in the center of national capital. This is close to India Gate. Patiala House Court has ordered the attachment of the Bekaner House in New Delhi, the district court, and Patiala House Court basically has ordered that it should be now, which it is originally owned by Rajasthan municipality, is what we are told, but it will now be attached. District Judge Vidya Prakash has passed the order, noting that the Nagar Palika had failed to satisfy the arbitral award that was passed against it in 2020. All right, so these are another shocking news coming in. We'll try and get more clarity on what precisely happened. Remember, Bekaner House, for those of us who know, who've been here, it's in many ways called a cultural center. It's a heritage building, like you can see, and it's right on this India Gate Circle. This is where a lot of events are organized. Some of the most incredible restaurants are at the Bekaner House. So we'll try and understand what precisely happened. We have a news report sent in by my colleague there on the ground. In fact, it was built during the rule of Maharaja Ganga Singh. It was once, which was a princely state. So let's try and understand.
Legal trouble for the Himachal Bhavan located in the national capital. Another properties owned by the state of Rajasthan is facing the legal danger. This is iconic Bekaner House located right next to the India Gate Circle, and there's a notice which has been put at the entry of the Bekaner House, which practically means that this property has been declared immovable property because of the legal dispute. The order has been passed by the Patiala House Court, and this is a legal battle between Enviro-Infra-Ingenious-Private-Limited against Nagar Palika Nokha of Rajasthan. The Bekaner House is owned by Nokha Nagar Palika, and there was a legal dispute between the Enviro-Infra-Ingenious-Private-Limited and Nagar Palika Nokha, and the court had ordered in its previous order that rupees 50 lakh, nearly rupees 50 lakh needs to be paid by Nokha Nagar Palika to the Enviro-Infra-Ingenious-Private-Limited. Now, when the payment has not been made, and that is why the Patiala House Court has declared the Bekaner House as an immovable property, and next date has been set, that is November 29th, to decide upon the conditions for the sale of this property. So in a matter of a very small financial dispute, small in comparison to the enormous value of the property of Bekaner House. So in matter of a small financial dispute between the Nokha Nagar Palika and Enviro-Infra-Ingenious-Private-Limited, this Bekaner House, which is considered one of the iconic buildings and which carries the identity of Rajasthan in the national capital as well, it has been declared an immovable property, and a notice had been also put at the entry gate of Bekaner House. So clearly, one after other, the properties owned by state governments, be it Himachal Bhavan or the Bekaner House, is facing legal trouble right now because of the financial battles between the state government or the local agencies and the private entities. With video journalist Manish Bidhuri, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.
All right, so that's another shocking news coming in, and what precisely happened here, we'll try and find out. But it's not looking good. Remember, these are pride and heritage buildings right in central Delhi, in the area which is called which are the cultural centers, and Bekaner House was one definite cultural center where conclaves, exhibitions, events, and a lot of activities as a cultural center were organized. But remember, it's not shutting down. Just to put it in perspective, and we'll get more clarity on that. Basically now, as an immovable property, it cannot be from the Nagar Palika of Nokha. It cannot be changed by sale, gift or otherwise, but that also means a lot of restrictions will be placed on the Bekaner House.